In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Amazon video purchases, a simple task that should take only about 5 minutes. Whether you've bought a blockbuster hit or rented a classic, knowing how to quickly locate these purchases is essential for making the most of your Amazon account. So, let's dive right into it. First, we'll start by heading over to Amazon's website. So open your preferred web browser and type in amazon.com. Amazon's homepage should pop right up with its familiar layout featuring special deals and promotions. The next step is to ensure you're signed into your account. This is crucial because your purchase history is linked directly to your account. Look towards the upper right corner of the screen for the sign in button. Click on it, which will lead you to the sign in page. Enter your email and password, and once you're logged in, you'll be brought back to Amazon's homepage. Now that you're signed in, navigate your attention to the top right section of the page again, where you'll see accounts and lists. Hover over or click this option, a drop down menu will appear. This is where you'll find most of your account related controls. In the drop down menu, look for the section labelled Your Orders. However, our focus today is on your digital content, so instead head a bit lower to the option labelled Your Account. Once you've accessed your account overview, scroll through the options available. Look for the category that refers to digital content and devices. Click on it. From here you'll find an option specifically named Video Purchases and Rentals. Click on that link, which conveniently gathers all your Amazon video transactions in one place. After clicking, you'll be redirected to a page that shows you everything related to your video purchases and rentals. However, we want to see not just a snippet, but get access to detailed information. Next, locate and click on Purchases and Rentals within this section. This will provide you with a comprehensive list of all your purchased and rented videos. Feel free to scroll through this list and click on any title to start streaming directly or manage your video library. You'll find details like the purchase date, quality and price here, which can help you keep track of what you've already bought or rented. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've navigated Amazon's expansive interface to find your video purchases. Remember, staying familiar with these tools ensures you'll always find what you need without hassle. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful guides. Happy watching and see you next time.